Hello friends, today actually we are going to do unboxing of one quartz heater. So this is a packet I got. Just I am opening this packet in front of you. Okay, so I have ordered this item online, and nowadays there is cold, so this is basically a quartz heater. You can able to see. Okay. Its company's name is Click-On. So it's a Click-On quartz heater. So it's a 600 watt heater. So light consumption is less uh, comparing to other heaters. Generally, this type of heaters are used when room size is very less, maybe around 100 to 150 square feet, and even it's not a problem that you use this heater outdoor. So you cannot take oil heaters outdoor. This is very portable type of heaters. So you can see I am opening this. So this is basically the Click-On heater. Okay, so in back actually there is a heater, and then inside is there is a manual. Okay, inside is the Click-On manual, and of course a warranty card with this. It's a 2-year warranty card. It is showing it's having a 2 years warranty. Okay, so the instrument is having 2 years warranty. Just I will check details. This is terms and conditions. So it is having service in India, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Africa, UAE, Bahrain, Qatar, Bangladesh. So all GCC countries and Asian countries, they are providing a service. Okay, so generally these type of heaters are usually used in the northern part of India, northern Asian parts, and in Middle East during the winter days. So this is a product manual. So what does it show? This is a switch. Okay, as you can see, this is a switch. Oh, okay, here the temperature we have to set. Then there is a back cover. Okay, so this is a back cover of this heater. Then third is reflect base. Reflect base is nothing, this silver area you can see here, it's a reflect base. Then heating element. The heating elements are that tubes. Then there is a front side net heating. Then there is a base. Base is basically on which it is resting. So when we talk about the operation, what you can do, there is a two positions. Position is off, then position 1 is 400 watt and position 2 is 800 watts. So here we will check which are the positions, like so here it is in 0, then 1 is 400 watts, second is 800 watts, then again 0. So this is basically the operation part. And after using it, turn and switch on position 0 and pull out the plug. So when we have to pull out the plug, first we have to make it 0, and then only we have to pull out the plug. So this we have to keep in mind. And there are certain warning instructions also given for do not place inflammable objects, strictly prohibited to place anything on the heater. Don't keep anything on the heater. If power cord is damaged, don't use it. Do not cover the heater. Don't cover the heater. like that some warning signs are there which are very usual in this scenario. And now we will operate this and we will see how it is operating and how it works, and what is the if there is any temperature change, that also I will inform you. So friends, you can see now I have operated this heater, and there are two filaments. Each filament is here of 400 watt capacity. So if we are keeping it in position number 1, then it will be only one filament will light, and it will give infrared rays which will hit the nearby atmosphere. And if I am putting this on second position, so then both the elements will heat and give full heating, and I could find a difference between immediately within 1 or 2 minutes itself, and started feeling warm. So but only the thing is that this type of heaters, the time up to the time you have kept this on, it will be giving warm or heated atmosphere. Once you switch off it, then automatically immediately at that moment this will heat will reduce. This is not a case in case of oil heaters, where once the room temperature is increased, the room temperature remains at that temperature for certain duration, even though the heater is switched off. So thank you, my friends. So if you like this video, please hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.